Okay, YouTubers, today I'm making a special video for my mother and her husband Ricky, as they bought some UV sterilizers that came from China, and when they got it, it was missing a power supply and the instructions were in Chinese and you couldn't understand them. So I went online and I found the instructions in English, although now they're shipping with English instructions. This is how it comes. It comes in a tube, and I'm going to show you how to work it. And since my mom speaks Spanish and not very much English, I'm going to do the second half of this video in Spanish and show you guys how awesome my Espanol is. So here we go. This is the tube that it came in. Open it up. Take the unit out. I like it. It looks like an old 1950s microphone upside down like this. Like this is the unit. The unit comes with a short connector cable. This is a standard cell phone connector. You can get it at any store. I went and got a longer version of the cable to make it easier. You can get it at Dollar Tree, 5 and 10, wherever. Is it 5 and 10 or is it 5, 10 below? Anyway. In the front, it has a button to turn it on, turn it off, and shows you with an LED when it's charged, charging, or on. Okay. On the back, it's got the connector. Now, let's begin. Alright, put that aside because that one is broken. So, first thing we do is we need to get a cable. Use the cable that it came with, or go get a longer cable, and then you've got to buy, because it does not come with it, a USB power adapter. Okay, standard for any cell phone or any device that uses USB. Okay, plug the cable into the USB adapter. Plug the other end of the cable into the back of the unit, like this. Or upside down or upside up. Inside out, upside down. Alright. Unit is now plugged in. Okay. No LED. Plug the USB into an AC outlet. And voila. The LED goes red. It's telling you that the unit is charging. Okay. Once the unit is charged, it will change from red to, one over here, green. That tells you that the unit is charged and ready for use. Now, once it's green, you can use it. You can put it in your car, put it in a closet, put it in your bathroom, wherever you want to sanitize. Unplug it because it doesn't work while it's being charged. Take the unit, put it wherever you're going to put it, car, whatever. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003. The unit is now blinking blue. That's telling you that it's turning on. You now have 28 seconds. Why they made it 28, I don't know. But 28 seconds to get out of where this unit is located. You're going to smell it once it starts working. You'll smell the ozone. I call it ozone. I'm not sure if it's ozone or what it is. But once the unit is on, after 28 seconds, you'll see what it looks like when it's on. Here we go. Still blinking blue. It's almost ready to go. Ta-da! The unit is now on and sanitizing. Be sure to be gone from this unit when it turns on. I mean, I don't know the damage, but all the paperwork, all the instructions on the internet say the same thing. Don't be near this thing when it's running. Okay? Now, don't worry about it once it's on because it's now on a timer. I know, I'm next to it. Trust me, I can smell it already working. You now have 30 minutes of operation before the unit shuts itself off. So you put it somewhere, it's hanging, turned on, you're out of there. 30 minutes later, the unit will shut itself off. And the area that it's at is sanitized. Now here's the beauty of it. If you want to sanitize, say, your cell phone, put it in the area where this is running. That'll sanitize it too. Okay? To turn the unit off, if you need to get into the car or wherever it's sanitizing, just push the button once. That shuts the unit off. Take it inside, plug it in. It will go red, telling you, okay, I'm charging again. And once it's green, it's ready for use. Okay? Now, for my mother, in Espanol. Mama, sáquelo del tubo. Hold in mano and use el cabello Alright, I'm kidding around. Alright. Mami, sácalo cuando te lo mande para atrás, sácalo del tubo. ¿Ok? Cuando tú lo compraste vino con un cablecito chiquitico. ¿Ok? Pero si quieres puedes comprar un cable más largo, porque yo lo uso más largo para poder moverlo y usarlo mejor. Puedes comprarlo en Dollar Tree, Dollar General, wherever they sell, donde venden los cables de teléfono, porque este es un cable de teléfono. Tienes que comprarte también un USB charger que valen como 3 o 5 pesos. Nada más que te hace falta uno porque vas a cargar uno a la vez. Si quieres comprar, si tú tienes 3, te quieres comprar 3, cómprate 3. ¿Okay? Conecta el cable, que es el USB, en el adapter. ¿Okay? Conecta el cable, el otro lado del cable, en la parte de atrás del I don't know how to say cleaner in Spanish. Limpiador. Whatever. Alright. Conéctalo. Es un poco de a pain in the butt sin este juego. Okay. Cuando está conectado, conecta el USB en la electricidad. Ahora tú verás que la luz se pone roja. Quiere decir que está cargando. Son como 2 o 4 horas por ahí. I didn't time it. Para cargarlo. Cuando está cargado, tú vas a ver que se va a poner green, verde. Verde quiere decir que ya está cargado y puedes usarlo. Desconéctalo de la corriente. Ponlo donde quieras, en el carro, en el closet, en el baño. Aprieta el botón por 3 segundos. En 3 segundos la luz va a cambiar de azul a blinking azul. Eso quiere decir que tienes ahora 28 segundos para salir de donde estás. No te quedes en el cuarto, en el carro cuando te están dando. ¿Okay? Enciéndelo y en 28 segundos se va a encender y tú vas a ver cómo luce cuando se enciende. ¿Okay? Uno de los que vino con tu orden estaba roto. That's why it's in the tube again. ¿Okay? En 28 segundos se pasa y puff, está encendida. Ahora está limpiando. Si te quedas con ella, vas a oler, you can smell it. It smells funny like ozone. Okay? En 30 minutos se apaga sola. Y cuando se apaga, sácalo del carro donde esté, llévalo para adentro, conéctalo y empieza a cargarlo otra vez. Cuando esté verde otra vez, puedes usarlo otra vez. Si quieres apagarlo, aprieta el botón y ya se apagó. Okay? Alright, that's the small one, y'all. The southern roots are coming out. I want to show you guys a big monster. This came out of an old hospital that was being demoed. Years ago I had this. Okay, I'm going to plug it in and show you. You can hear it booting up. Fans running. Now what this unit does is it sucks in air through these vents on the bottom, blows it out the top. And if I hold it just right, you can look inside there and see the UV lights. That's what's running. And there's a timer in the front. Now, stupid me, when I first got this thing, I thought, oh cool, I'm going to clean the air. I put it in my office. I bypassed the timer and just let it run, let it run, let it run. Well, after about an hour, I started getting woozy. My head hurt, my eyes were watering, and I didn't realize. Then I read the instructions. It says, run for 15 minutes every 60 seconds and make sure that you're not in the room when it's running. I didn't do that. I stayed in the room and thought, oh, that's a cool smell. Made me sick. So now you know how to work it. Sácalo, plug it in, red light, green light's ready to go. Green light, unplug it, push for 3 seconds, the light will turn blue. 28 seconds after it turns blue, it's going to go solid blue. The unit is going to be running and you'll be sanitizing your area. Okay, that's as simple as that. Okay, if anybody's got any question, please feel free, send me a comment. I will be more than happy to answer it. Mom, I'll be shipping these back to you probably this weekend. Let's wait for this one to come on just one more time so you can see it. 28 seconds is a long time. This is the broken one. Never mind. Okay, well, you all get the idea. Turn it on. Blue. Blinking. 28 seconds later. Solid blue. And it's running. Cleaning your air. Let's wait. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 28 seconds. Why they made it 28, I don't know. But it's 28 seconds. Still blinking. Still blinking. Ta-da! You're now cleaning your air. That's it. Any questions, like I said, comment me. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Oh, now this one kicks on. Made me a liar. Alright, guys. That's it for that. Enjoy, Mom. Oh, love you.